All right. Slide 6 is our writing response. Why do you think that Martin Luther King Jr. gave his famous I Have a Dream speech near the Lincoln Memorial? Use text evidence to support your thinking. So, while this is opinion-based and I want you to tell me what you think and why you think he chose that location, I need you to go back up here and find why you think that's true. Use some citing. Now, if you tell me why here, and you do not use some of these sentence starters for text evidence, telling me why you think this because of the story said blank, that's why I think that he chose this location, then you will not receive full credit. We've also spent multiple days on this assignment, reading and rereading and rereading this passage. Therefore, I want 2 complete paragraphs. That is a total of about 8 to 10 sentences. Make sure you're taking your time. These assignments are for a grade, and your amount of sentences reflect your effort. Now, if you need help with your sentences, or you don't know how to spell something, or maybe you just get stuck and you're not sure what to write, reach out. I am here to help you, but I can only help you if you let me know that you need help. Happy writing!